Were you looking for the best stand mixers, according to our tests? In this video, we will look at some of the best stand mixers, according to our tests on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Best Overall Stand Mixer. KitchenAid 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. This heavy-duty, multifunctional mixer is built to last a lifetime. It can be loud and wobbly under heavy load. The KitchenAid stand mixer is a modern kitchen icon. This machine's streamlined look, twist-to-lock bowl, and simple controls have remained essentially unchanged since their introduction in 1937, and it's a testament to the design's quality that it's still a bestseller almost a century later. That applies to pros as much as home cooks, too. Stern says he loves KitchenAid because the mixers are classic, strong, and easy to repair if necessary. Additionally, you can choose from a variety of mixers in dozens of charming colors and designs. Each is attractive enough to leave on the countertop and small enough to stow away. Number 2. Best Splurge Stand Mixer. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. The easy-to-access bowl lift mechanism makes this extra-large mixer extra stable. Given its large build, moving this mixer on and off the countertop is potentially cumbersome. I love my KitchenAid, O'Brien says. I felt like a real grown-up when I got my first one. She's had the same model at home for more than 15 years, and it's an older version of this 7-quart monster. It's the biggest one I can get, she enthuses. Rather than tilting the head down into the bowl, as with smaller KitchenAid mixers, this one uses a crank to lift and lock the bowl in place under the stationary motor. It's more stable than the tilt head design. This bowl lift model was quieter and less wobbly than the other 3 KitchenAids we tested, and having the option to lower the bowl made scraping down the sides much easier. Number 3. Best Compact Stand Mixer. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. This compact version of the classic KitchenAid is useful for any avid baker with tight kitchen space. The capacity is small, and its speed settings are slower than other KitchenAid models. This compact version of the classic KitchenAid is ideal for cooks with big aspirations who have limited kitchen space. The Mini works just like the other 2 KitchenAid models on our list, only with a smaller capacity and less weight. It has 10 speeds and comes with a standard set of a beater, dough hook, and whisk. It's compatible with most of KitchenAid's handy attachments, including the meat grinder, pasta maker, and spiralizer. Number 4. Best Large Capacity Stand Mixer. GE Smart Mixer. This stand mixer can handle anything and includes a built-in scale. It's much heavier than other models, and the app wasn't very useful. The GE Profile Smart Mixer is a baker's workhorse meant to be used often. Even with its 7-quart capacity, this bowl lift stand mixer is the most stable we tested, as it exhibited no wobbling instability throughout our tests. We also found that the motor wouldn't get hot while it mixed bread dough, thick cookie dough, and meringue at high speeds. We loved this mixer's integrated scale system that helps with precise baking and conserving dishes. You can measure on the base itself, in the bowl on the base, and on the mixer head. Plus, the hub is compatible with third-party accessories like KitchenAid attachments. The GE is notably heavier than the other models we tested, making it difficult to transfer between the countertop and storage. It's really best kept on the countertop for frequent use. We also didn't find the app to be very useful, since you have to confirm your app selections on the physical machine.